guys, how it's going? It's Sudha here with second lecture of Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we will gonna discuss how many methods of input and how to use them. So let's start. First open Notepad. First method is to assign value to the variable. So make a class name, input, methods. Body of the class, here main function, body of the main function, declaring variable int a, b, c, terminator, assigning value to the variable a is equal to 10, b is equal to 15, c is equal to a plus b. Then for print system dot out dot print c. Body of the main clause, body of the class clause. Save this program file, save, C drive, JDK 1.7, bin, here class name within double quotes, input, methods dot java. Save. So this. Now open command prompt. Set the path cd jdk 1.7 cd bin. For compilation, java c, class name, input method, dot java. For execution, java, class name, input, method. Here 25 is the input. So the second method is to take inputs from the user. So let's start. Notepad. First, we import package. Here the package, import java .util .scanner. After it, in the main function, declare variable int a, b, c. Scanner, here is a scanner is the class that we import. At first, scanner, create object for b is equal to new, scanner, system dot in. Now system dot out dot print it's a message that show on the screen, enter a value. terminator Then A is equal to OB. Using object we take input from the user. ob.next int. It's just working like a scene in C++, but here we use scanner class for the input. Then next, again type this and here is B. Enter second value. Next, C is equal to A plus B. Enter system dot out dot print ln used for the new line. Here we want to show the message sum is equal to and here we use concatenation operator. Plus operator is used here for concatenation. C closes terminator and save this program. And now run command prompt. Set the path cd jdk 1.7 cd bin java c input method, it's a class name, .java for and that statement is used for compilation. Here is the error, expected error. Terminator is missing. So first open that program C JDK 1.7 bin and input method. Save, close. Again start command prompt, java c input method .java compilation successfully, and then for execution java input methods it's a class name, run. Here we get output, enter a value that you want, 78. Again enter second value that you want, 23. Next, sum is equal to 101. So it's an output. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.